Music. Welcome to the CloudMD Telehealth Review. Find usage experience links below. CloudMD simplifies and improves healthcare access. It empowers patients and equips providers with advanced tools for efficient care. Designed for individuals and enterprise organizations, CloudMD connects convenience, technology, and quality care. Seamless virtual consultations include secure video calls, messaging, and prescription management. The HIPAA-compliant platform prioritizes patient information security. CloudMD integrates with EHR systems, unifying patient histories, lab results, and treatment plans. This streamlines workflows, allowing providers to focus on patient care. Patients can book appointments, connect with providers, and access records via a user-friendly app and web portal. It's especially helpful for managing chronic conditions, offering ongoing care and real-time monitoring tools. CloudMD also provides vital mental health support, including therapy and counseling, promoting holistic well-being. Designed for diverse users, physicians, specialists, therapists, employers, and insurers, CloudMD offers valuable virtual care benefits. Customizable and scalable enterprise solutions suit small practices and large networks. CloudMD delivers secure, efficient, comprehensive telehealth. Its integrated features make it a powerful choice. Learn more in the description below.